Mr. Pig. Hello, Mr. Pig.
Oh, Coco!
Hello, Coco.
How are you there?
Hello, Coco. I'm Mr. Pig. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you, little Coco.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Mr. Pig.
Yeah, and my name is Coco.
Are you a baby?
Yeah.
Are you a baby cockatiel? Or a baby budgie? Or a baby lovebird?
I don't know. I'm a baby bird.
Baby bird.
And I'm so cute.
Ah, I'm cuter than you, baby bird. I'm Mr. Pig, the
Yeah.
cute cockatiel bird.
And
Yay.
I'm Coco.
Hey, Coco. Are you hungry?
No.
Are you hungry, Coco?
No, I just bite you.
Hey, 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 hey. What are you doing, Mr. Pig? Don't bite Coco.
I was bite by Coco, but I knew.
Hey, Mr. Pig.
Itchy.
What are you doing, Mr. Pig?